Hello friends, myself Sia Yushkanodia. Hope you are doing well. So, this video is with respect to the major changes which government had made in the GST law due to this COVID problems. This video is covering the changes from e-way bill to the changes made in annual returns. So, first thing is that a nil return can be filed even with SMS now. So government is coming up with the facility that nil return can be filed with SMS service also. And GSTR 3B for the companies is the due date for that GSTR 3B is extended up till 30th June 2020 for the companies. Second recent announcement which government had made is that any company which is going under the process of corporate insolvency resolution process, CIRP, basically any company which is undergoing the insolvency process have to take a new registration within 30 days, and that 30 days will be counted from the date of appointment of insolvency resolution professional, IRP, which we in our journal term which we used to say as IRP. So from the date of appointment of IRP up till 38 days, company need to take a new registration, and for the companies which is already undergoing into that CIRP process at the time of making the announcement, they have the time limit up till 30th June 2020. Okay, so basically the later of the two dates means 30th June 2020 or 38 days from the date of appointment of ERP. Up till that dates, you need to appoint, you need to get a new registration for that company which is going under that CIRP process. Third announcement which government had made is with regard to e-way bill. The e-way bill which vendors assessees has generated up till 24th March 2020 can be valid up till 31st May 2020. So government had widened the dates of applicability of e-way bill which is already generated uh, up to 24th March. That e-way bill will be remain valid up till 31st May 2020. Fourth announcement is with regard to the date of extension for annual return and GSTR 9C. So basically for financial year, the due date has been extended up till 30th September 2020. And the last announcement of change is with regard to J&K and Ladakh assessees. So basically for the assessees of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh who need to file their GSTR 3B for November 19 to Feb 20. This notification is with regard to them. For Jammu and Kashmir assessees, GSTR 3B, which they need to file from November 19 to Feb 20, they have to file it up to 24th March 2020. And for the Union Territory of Ladakh, the GSTR 3B for November and December must be filed up to 24th March 2020, and the GSTR 3B for January 20 and Feb 20 need to be filed up till 20th May 2020. Thanks for watching. Please stay connected with us. Please subscribe our channel and Stay safe, stay updated, and stay at home. Thank you. Bye.